Greetings, everyone. Today, we would like to introduce you something really special. Our project on AI Puppy is an innovative solution which we have designed for elderlies that have been living alone or determining whether they should live alone. So, why did we choose the topic on puppy? Well, everyone loves dogs, right? So, instead of making cold mechanic robots, we created something warm and friendly, something that brings a smile to everyone when they see it. And most importantly, it feels natural to have a dog around the house. So our project AI Puppy is basically like a super smart companion that never sleeps. It can detect if someone falls, someone's talking, or even when they're lonely, just to remind them whether they have taken their medications today and check the weather, instantly connect with family members if there's any issues. Think of it as a 24/7 surveillance camera in the shape of a adorable puppy. And the best part is, it's adorable compared to traditional robot care options or even just traditional care home options. We wanted to make it sure that everyone who needs help actually gets it. No complicated setup, no confusing controls, just a friendly puppy that always there to help. In simple terms, AI Puppy combines the best of everything. It's a safe monitor, a companion, and a smart helper, all wrapped up in one cute package. It's our way of making sure no elderly person has to feel lonely or even unsafe in their own home. And this is our AI Puppy, making independent living safer and happier for our elderlies in the community. So why is it a concern? You may not know, in Hong Kong or in most countries, Asian countries, we are suffering from aging population. If you are aware, South China Morning Post has posted that Hong Kong population projection for the next 50 years is bad. It's going to turn into 55 or even 60 in a matter of times, and this will push the unemployment rate higher, the age of employment or deployment higher. But why is that? Elderly that live alone may seem okay on the outer surface, but mentally they are suffering. Mental health issues is arising in among all age ranges, let alone elderlies. But the problem with elderly is that they tend to live alone or they do not have anyone, family, support care group, nothing. They may not be receiving the right care for themselves. Hence, it produces or develops further issues like having elderlies injured, um, falling at their own home but no one be aware, which lead to further delay in delivery services from emergency services, and so forth. So this is the main reason why we want to design a helper, AI puppy, to help out these elderlies.
Hi guys, I want to talk about old people who live alone. It's very dangerous of them. First, they can fall down easily, maybe in the bathroom, maybe in the kitchens. Nobody there to help them. Second, they feel very sad and lonely. No one talk to them, no one to eat with them. Very bad for their mental health. First, if something bad happened, like they get sick or fall down, nobody knows. Maybe they wait many hours or days before someone find them. It's very dangerous. The last one, their home can be very dirty or messy, or hot. It's very hard for the old people to clean the bathroom by themselves. Sometimes they forget to open the window, let the air become bad. So we must help them old people. They need us. Maybe we can with them more or call them every day. The simple thing it can help there a lot. It's like a circle that never stopped. First, the old people don't have the money to buy safety things. No arming button, no good light, no hand raised in the bathroom is very dangerous. Because no safety thing, they very easy to fall down. And nobody they fall. They fall down maybe left on for many hours. It's very scary, right? After they fall one time, they become more scared, stay at home more and don't want to go out. It feel more lonely. When they feel lonely, they become more sad. And when they sad, they don't care about the safety anymore, right? They don't want to spend money on the safety things. The same thing happen again.
Now, please let me introduce our solution, AI Puppy. The AI Puppy has several core features which make this objective a reality. First is about fall detection and notification. The robot dog is equipped with AI-powered fall detection. If a fall occurs, the system immediately alerts elders' family and stores the data in the cloud. Second, it has chatbot feature and more. The robot includes a chatbot for friendly conversation, audio content, and even weather forecasts, adding convenience and emotional support. Third is about AI risk detection and prevention. The AI continuously monitors the environment to detect risk, such as slippery floors, or obstacle or firing, or many water on the floor, and take the image and notify to elder family. The last is about the remote link and 360 guardianship. Through a web app, caregivers can remotely monitor the elders, control the robot's movement, and access a full database of, incident logs and elder-specific data. These features work together to create a comprehensive care system, ensure safety, engagement, and convenience for all involved. Now, let me walk you through the architecture of our solution, highlight how all the components interact seamlessly. At the core of the system is the robot dog, which is equipped with a camera, microphone, and advanced mobility. The robot also hosts its own server, enabling it to provide a real-time monitor directly on a web page. This web interface not only allows caregivers to see live feedback, but also offer control over the robot's movements, making it a dynamic and interactive monitor tool. This web app automatically sends camera data to cloud function for analysis when a dangerous situation is identified, such as a fall or something slippery floors or firing. The AI processes the data and immediately sends an alert to family members through the PubHub notification system. This ensures prompt action is emergency. All relevant data, including image and incident description, is securely stored in Firebase and cloud storage. This ensures the records are both safe and easily accessible for future reference. The web app serves as central data hub, allowing caregivers to review incident logs and monitor the elder's status conveniently. This seamlessly integration of advanced AI, cloud computing, and user-friendly interface deliver a reliable and efficient elder care solution.
Let's talk about what our smart robot dog does. It have 5 main jobs to help older people at home. Job number 1, stop bad things. Our dog using its camera and listen closely to the song. It can see the problem before they get bigger, like if someone falls or if there are strange noise. This help keep the whole home safe and stop the accident. Job number 2, make people happy. Our dog also wants to make people feel good. Later on, it can play a simple game and tell a funny story. It's like have a friendly helper to keep your company. Job number 3, saving money. Taking care of the older people can cost a lot. Our system is not expensive. It costs less than living a special home or having someone stay with you all the time. You know the price, no surprise. Job number 4, works on its own. Our dog using special program to work by itself. It can walk around and watch the house day and night. Following this plan, you don't have to tell it what to do all the time. But if you need to, you can still tell it what to do using a phone or computing. Job number 5, seeing the whole house. Our dog can move around so it doesn't just watch one small area. It can go different rooms and check on everything. It tells the family what's happening. It helps every day, like having many helpers watching out for you. So our robot dog is moving, caring, and not too expensive way to help keep older people safe and happy at home.
Now, let's talk about implementations. How can AI puppy be employed in our already available environment in our society? Let's compare it. I'm showing you 4 living arrangements: living alone, in a nursing home, rehab center, and daycare. If we compare the level of services, nursing homes would be the number one priority because it needs 24/7 constant observation. Rehab centers, especially for elderlies recovering from surgeries or short-term injury or illness, quite intensive, but we're talking about temporary solutions for this elderly who decided to stay in rehab centers. And as for daycare, which is for active seniors who live with families but they need daytime supervision, or the family itself needs some downtime for themselves. They could have went traveling where elsewhere which is not suitable for them to bring the elderly along. Now let's talk duration. For duration, nursing homes require a long-term permanent solution, and simply having AI and robots eliminates the cost for humans. Rehab centers, as I mentioned, is temporary, is intense, but is suitable for short-term employment for our AI puppy. As for daycare and elderlies that live alone, they may not need it whole day. They only need it during certain period of time, regularly or irregularly. If we compare the cost, obviously, nursing home will have the highest cost, whereas the rehab, daycare, and other situations will be lower. So our primary implementations, should this proceed further in the future, nursing homes would be our priority in providing an overall care, and secondarily rehab centers for recovery and daycare to engage um, social engagement and basic care. Now, the way forward for our AI puppy, we decided AMAC. A for artificial intelligence to enhance the pattern of our AI from improved model or improved model features, better facial and gesture detection, better accuracy in fall detection. Now, interactivity, such as for interactions, natural language processing, multi-language support. Right now, we're only supporting English. Now, third being remote medical monitoring integration. So, real-time monitoring, remote doctor consultations from our remote camera, the dog itself, in order to provide health data analysis. Then M for multi-robot collaboration. Who knows if we're gonna have AI cat, AI bird, whatever we could think of is possible. So we could distribute the task into different boards and synchronize the operations. Now, emotional care being mood detection, whether this is from the words it's saying or the facial expressions, and provide a deeper and meaningful companionship conversations. Now, last being connectivity. Right now, AI Puppy has somewhat limited range, highly relying on Wi-Fi. So moving forward, so we're hoping to deploy in remote areas or in large centers without good Wi-Fi support. So we will need a better connectivity using 5G over 6G, right? So high-speed connectivity could induce lower latency response. So in summary, our key benefits or the way we want our AI puppy to be enhanced would be the care quality, improved efficiency, better user experience, and enhanced safety.
Let's talk about our web application function. This is our dashboard. It shows database status and user accounts and IP and different account status and notification we send and activity log. And if we remote connect the dog and host a server on it, it can go to a HTML page that can monitor the camera data, such like this, and it will automatically send the camera data to Cloud Function, and Cloud Function will work with Gemini tool. It will analyze the data and have any dangerous situation. If have dangerous situation, it will automatically capture and save to bucket and generate description save to file store. It can choose to automatically detect each 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute. It will continuously capture the dangerous situation. And we can find the saved data in here, such as that detect many items on the floor they could harmful for elderly fall down. Also, we have another feature, such like we can buy a robot dog product and audio input. You can record your voice and do some trigger some Python file. And our website support upload something. These are notifications we send. And we have user account management. And it can support edit data, such as you can edit your profile